This short video will walk you through how to use the Google Drive app on Schoology to push out documents to all your students. So I've actually already created an activity, the Google Slide Scavenger Hunt, and I want to go ahead and add um, a document to this that all the kids will get a copy of. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit. If I was just making this from scratch, this would work the same way. So to assign a document from Google Drive, you simply click on Google Drive Assignments. And I know for this particular activity, I want to assign them this Google Scavenger Hunt. You might have to search for it too, but I would click on Google Scavenger Hunt and I would say attach. And then I would see that it's attached. It's going to create a copy of the file for each student once they open it. And I'm going to go save changes. Once I've done that, when I go into this activity, my screen will show me the assignment. So these are the directions I gave the kids. I can click over here and see where everybody is. And as the kids have open the document, you'll be able to see their document over here. In this case, my one student that's in my class has not opened the assignment yet, and then eventually you'll see submissions over here, and again, you'll be able to give feedback directly on the document right from the Schoology Drive.